Okay, so last time we covered dictionaries. Now we are here to cover set. First and foremost thing, how to declare a set. Like how a set look like, how its syntax look like. This is set, only having curly brackets. Okay, so this is set. And what dictionary was? Dictionary inside this, there was key and value pair. If there will be inside this key and value pair, then it will be a dictionary. But for now, we are only concerned about set. So this is set. Okay, this is the basic structure of syntax of set. Some of the points. So why set? Because say do it like this. Say I want. Say you are having like how many people like. Maybe what is the best fruit you like. What is the best fruit you like? This is the fruit, and this is the fruit list. Maybe mango. One person said mango. One person said banana, and and then again someone said mango. Then again next person said banana. So it goes on. Like, there may be many mangoes, many banana loving peoples out of say we go to a public place and we picked 10 person out there, 10 random person, and we ask them what fruit they like. Out of them, two likes mango, two likes banana. Now we are not concerned about who likes what. We are only concerned about what are the best fruit or what are like how many people in this area loves which fruit. And if maybe out of 10 people 8 loves mango, then we will sell mango at that particular location. So set will work for us. And what we will do, we will simply put all these things into set, and set will give us only the unique values. Set no duplicate, only unique values. Set only provide us unique values, and this is unordered. Unordered collection of elements means say it like this. Okay, first. Unordered means if I'll show you first I will write B, then I'll write C, then I'll write A, and then I'll write Z. Okay, and now if I'll print it and see the order was like this, and it reordered it like this. So set by itself by default gives you the order, and it never follows the order you give it. It gives you the order. Okay, so this is unordered collection. Okay, and no duplicates. There will be no duplicates, only unique. Okay, that's why I told you in previous video that set can be used as an key for a dictionary because keys are unique in dictionary. So set always considers unique values, no duplicates. Set inside set we can remove and add values. Okay, because set is mutable. Okay, set is mutable. Define a random set. Just define the random set. So it will contain no duplicates inside it, only unique values. Okay, and then what what else I can show you is say this is a tuple. Say this is a tuple. Okay, and it is having some of the repeating values. And if you want maybe the unique values out of this tuple, just simply convert it into set, and this is how you will get unique values. And let's give it a variable var1. Okay, and if you will see the data type of var, now it will become set because we have converted it explicitly. We have converted it into set. These are the value involved. And now if I'll say the type, if I'll see the type, and it will show me set. Now it has become the set. That's why it is having unique values. That's why it is having the unique values, no repeating value inside it. Okay. Now see if this is the set. Maybe yeah, we can see it like this. This is a set, and we want to. This is the original set. First, we will see the original set, and just what we are trying to do is we are trying to add something to the set, and here we are adding something to the set. Okay, so we are adding 0 to it. Okay, and when we will use add, it will add at the initial position. It will not add at the last, at the end position. At the starting position, it will add. Okay, then again why it is adding it to the starting position, because 0 comes before 1. Okay, so it is giving it order by itself. Like, it is not the property of add due to which this 0 is adding in the front. This is the property of set, because it keeps every element in order. So maybe for making it more clear, I will again go with this example. I will simply copy it here. Okay, and now you can see the set is this. Okay, and now if I'll add something to it, maybe set dot add. If I'll add, maybe, because there is A, B, C, D, Z. Okay, then I want to add X to it, then it will add X in front of Z. Okay, see, it will add X is not defined. X is not defined because we have to put it as a string. Okay, now it is in front of Z. Okay, so this is how set will add the element by itself in order. Okay, so now deleting element from the set. Again, we can delete elements from the set in two ways. One, we can use discard, and the another way is remove. Okay, so the discard is if okay, we will see it how these two things is working. Let's first just I'm explaining you this thing. So this is the original set, and we are discarding. What we are discarding? Dot discard. What we are discarding? These are the elements. We are discarding 0. Maybe we are discarding 0. Okay, and then I want to see the updated set. Now this is discarded. Okay. Now what if I will give a value which is not inside a set? Just I will say discard 9. 9 is not inside the set. Let's see what happens. So again, no error. It will throw no error. No error. Okay. But same thing if I will do with remove, it will show me error. Okay. The thing is, if the element is not inside the set and you are using remove, so it will throw error. It will throw error. Okay. Just remove and it will throw error. Key error 9. There is nothing as 9 inside the set. And if same thing we will do with discard will not show you error. So in application part, you can understand where to use remove and where to use discard. Okay. So now one more best thing about set is set theory operations are possible. Okay. What are the set theory operations? So set theory operations, these are the set theory operations. Set operations, that is union, intersection, difference, and symmetric difference. These are the set theory operations. Okay. Now how to apply them? So what is the difference between two sets? Okay, set 1 minus set 2. Okay, so let's first see it by applying, and after that I will explain it. There is a difference. Okay, set 1 differencing with set 2. Okay, so what it is saying is 1, 2, and B. Okay, so difference means something which is common between the two sets. Remove that, and after removing the common elements, we want only the set 1 elements. Okay, remove the column elements which are same in set 1 and set 2, and after removing those elements, show me the elements which are in set 1. This is what the difference does. now this thing is not updated. Okay, if again I will see here set 1, this is not updated. This is showing me this set. Okay, so this is not updated. To update it, what we have to do is set 1 dot difference update. Okay, now if I will go for set 1, now the set 1 is updated with the difference of set 1 minus set 2. Okay, so the difference is basically what is common between these two sets. Remove that thing, and now show me what is remaining in set 1 after removing the similar thing in set 1 and set 2. Okay, now see the intersection between two sets. Okay, simply use intersection. Intersection simply tells you what is common between set 1 and set 2. These are the common thing between set 1 and set 2. So intersection gives you again same thing. Again, set 1 is not updated yet. If I'll go for set 1, it is not updated yet. So to update it, intersection update we will use, and now you can see the set 1 is updated. Okay. So this is all about set. Now see you in the next video. That's all. That's all for this.